Hello everyone, Shimson here again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another video. Today it's a little bit different than my previous video. What is it? Let's see, what is it? It is Momax brand V.LOG Livestream gear stand. It's a very interesting item. I'm so excited. Let's open it.
Your voice echoes in my mind.
We have Gadget Holder here.
Your voice echoes in my mind.
Wow! It has 3 options. I like it. We can light on the middle, phone, tablets on either side, but it is more for the smartphone than tablet because the size is not big, but still a small size. Tablets could fit into it. Well, the reason I bought this multi-purpose stand is to shoot from 2 different phones at the same time in order to compare the video quality and mount the light on the middle, but I think I will use it more than those purpose. I guess DSLR camera could also fit on the top, although we will not have many options to move the camera in different angles. Okay, let's see the tripod. How does it open? Not like this. I think this is the lock. Well, this is how we open it. Great concept. Let's open it. I will remove this one.
Your voice echoes in my mind.
It's opening. More and more. Still. Wow, I did not expect that it would be this long. Wow. Why would it be this long? Maybe we could take the video from the top. I could use it for unboxing, but maybe I need one person to hold it. Okay, I will figure it out.
Your voice echoes in my mind. Your voice echoes in my mind.